Every second your business runs without intelligent automation, you are losing money, slowing growth, and falling behind. By the end of 2025, 80% of companies will adopt intelligent automation, not because it's nice to have, but because survival depends on it. The question is, will you be one of them? From Fortune 500 enterprises to fast-scaling startups, automation is transforming how companies operate in cloud, data, and AI-driven industries. The pace is relentless. Leaders aren't waiting. They are already investing in systems that think, learn, and adapt. Ignore automation and the risks pile up fast. Higher operational costs as manual processes slow output. Missed market opportunities because competitors move faster. Talent burnout as teams waste time on repetitive, low-value work. Data blind spots leading to slower, less accurate decisions. Lost customers who expect real-time service and responsiveness. Every month that you delay, your costs rise, your scalability shrinks, and your competitors widen the gap. Automation isn't just about cutting cost. It's about creating exponential value. Our clients at TechVora have seen 30 to 50% reduction in operating expenses, 70% faster project delivery, near zero error rates in critical processes, freeing up 20 plus hours per employee per month to focus on innovation. In a competitive market, automation isn't just ROI positive, it's ROI multiplying. Here at TechVora, we specialize in helping cloud, data, and AI-driven businesses transform operations through intelligent automation. From assessment to implementation, we create solutions that scale with you, so you are not just keeping up, you are setting the pace. The future won't wait, and neither should you. Book your free automation readiness assessment today and see where your business can save, scale, and succeed.